Hello friends, now we see the unit 3 electrostatic part 10 last part of this chapter will application of Gauss theorem relation between electric field E and electric potential V. Relation between the electric field E and the electric potential V. Here E is equal to minus dV by dx or equal to minus dV by dr. We consider it is equation number 1. Electric potential due to the point charge. Consider a point charge Q kept at a point O. Let P be the point at a distance r from O where the electric potential is to be calculated. Let a point test charge Q0 be kept at P. The force acting on Q0 is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 upon r square. The work done by the external agent against the repulsive force between the two charges through a small distance dr is given by dW is equal to minus F dr. From equation 1, we can say that dW is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 upon r square into dr. The total work done by the external agency is moving the charge Q0 from infinity to the point P is given by W is equal to integration from infinity to R minus integration into infinity to R 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 upon R square dr is equal to minus Q0 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by R minus 1 by infinity. Therefore, W is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 upon R. This is equation number 3. Therefore, by the definition of potential, V is equal to omega upon Q0 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. The electric potential at point due to the several charges. Electric potential due to the system of charges is the algebraic sum of the potential due to the individual charges. If charges Q1, Q2, Q3 Qn are located at distance R1, R2, R3 Rn from point P, then the resultant potential at P is V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3 plus Qn upon Rn, where V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 Vn. This is equation number 5. Therefore, V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 summation of all Qi upon Ri, where I from 1 to n. Electric potential due to the dipole. Let ABE be a dipole of dipole length 2L formed by two point charges minus Q and plus Q kept at A and B respectively as shown in figure. So here we consider that 2 point A and B. A is minus Q, B is plus Q. Distance between them is from 0 to A it is L, from 0 to B it is L. Therefore, AB distance is 2L. Let P be a point at a distance r from the center of the dipole. The electric potential due to the dipole at the point P is given by V is equal to V1 due to minus Q and V is equal to V2 due to the plus Q. Therefore, V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 minus Q upon AP plus Q upon BP. Therefore, V is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon R plus L cos theta plus 1 upon R minus L cos theta. Therefore, V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2L cos theta R square minus L square cos square theta. Therefore, V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2L is nothing but P. Therefore, P cos theta upon R square L square cos square theta. If the dipole is very short, that is R is smaller than greater than 1, then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos theta upon R square you will get. This is R is greater than L. If P on the axial line, that is theta equal to 0, then V axial equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P upon R square. If P is on the equatorial line, that is theta equal to 90 degree, then V equatorial is 0. That is potential at equator is 0. Electric potential due to the charge charged spherical shell. Outside the spherical shell, V out is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Inside the spherical shell, V upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon capital R. On the surface of the spherical shell, yes, V surface is equal to V1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon capital R. Electric potential due to a uniformly charged solid sphere. Outside the sphere, V out is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Inside the sphere, V in is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q in bracket 3r square minus r square upon 2r cube. On the surface, V surface is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. At the center, V center is equal to 3 by 2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Therefore, V center is equal to 3 by 2 V surface. Calculation of the electric field from the potential. When a charged Q is kept in an electric field E, the force acting on it is F is equal to Q0 E. The work done by the external agency moving the test charge through a small distance dr against the field is given by dw is equal to minus F dr is equal to minus Q0 E dr, or dw upon Q0 is equal to minus E dr, or but dw upon Q0 is equal to V, therefore V is equal to minus E dr, therefore E is equal to minus dV upon dr. That is, an electric field is the negative gradient of potential. Also, the potential V is equal to integration from infinity to R minus E dr. Hence, the potential difference between the 2 points A and B is VAB is equal to integration from RA to RB is minus E dr. Equipotential surface is that surface on which every point will have the same potential. In other words, an equipotential surface is the locus of all points which are at the same potential. Okay, thank you.